Snaptain E10 First Use. In this video, we will show you the unboxing and initial setup process of Snaptain E10 Drone. Unboxing. Open the box and remove Snaptain E10 and its accessories. Flight preparation. When using the battery for the first time, charge it with the USB charging cable provided in the box. Unfold the front arms and then the rear arms. Install the battery into the drone after it's fully charged. You should hear a click, which means the battery is secure. Insert a memory card to ensure sufficient storage space and secure storage for your captured footage. Charge the remote with the USB charging cable provided in the box. Unfold the handle and antenna. Unfold the holder to mount your mobile phone. Remove the lens protector. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on the drone. The indicators quickly flash 3 times when the drone is pairing with the remote controller. All the indicators turn solid on when paired successfully. Connect the Snaptain FPV app with your drone. Download and install Snaptain FPV from Google Play App Store or scanning the QR code on the screen or package box. Flight control. Navigate to the Wi-Fi setting of your mobile phone and search for Snaptain E10 Wi-Fi to connect. Launch the Snaptain FPV app. Tap the function display to enter the page to see the live preview. Place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you, making sure there are no obstacles in surrounding area. Simultaneously push both control sticks inwards or outwards at 45 degrees to unlock the motor. You can also press the takeoff button to make the drone ascend and hover at a height of 3.9 feet. The left control stick is for adjusting the aircraft's altitude and orientation. The right control stick allows the aircraft to move forward, backward, and to left and right. Taking photos and videos. Photo mode. Press the photo button on the remote or tap the photo icon on the app to take photo. Video mode. Press the video button on the remote or tap the video icon on the app to start recording a video. Press or tap the button icon again to stop recording. Adjust the gimbal pitch and control the camera by using the gimbal dial on the left side of the remote controller. View your photos, videos. Tap the album icon on the app or remove the memory card from the drone, then connect it to your computer to view your footage. Land. Hold down the left control stick or press the landing button on the remote controller for about 3 seconds to land the drone. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to power off the aircraft and the remote controller and fold the aircraft arms and store the aircraft in the bag. We hope you enjoyed this video and happy flying.